Uncertainty inevitably leads to market turbulence. Volatile markets can shake investor confidence, but your portfolio doesn't have to suffer. This is where an investment approach that targets high-quality stocks becomes essential. Quality investments provide stability, reliability, and long-term growth prospects. More than ever, knowing what you own is critical. The Robeco Global Stars strategy invests in about 50 of our best high-conviction ideas, or as we call them, stars. These stars are selected from an investable universe of more than 4,000 global companies. The result is an all-weather portfolio perfect for your core allocation to equities. Since the strategy was launched in 2008, we've outperformed the MSCI World by 1.6% on an annualized basis, providing attractive cumulative returns for our clients. The Robeco Global Stars strategy doesn't select stocks based on hype, sector, or geography. We only focus on quality, and we do so via 3 key pillars. The first is financial quality. We assess how effectively a company uses capital to generate profit by examining their return on invested capital. Secondly, we look at valuation quality. We evaluate how much free cash flow the company generates because, as the saying goes, earnings are opinions, but cash is a fact. And third, we profile sustainable quality. Our dedicated sustainability analysts help us understand all the sustainability elements that are financially relevant. This gives us a holistic view of a company's risk profile. Using these criteria, Robeco Global Stars gives you exposure to leading companies from developed economies across the world, including the US, Europe, the UK, and Japan, giving geographic diversification to your portfolio. So, to sum up, we believe that having a core allocation to the world's best quality companies is a key component of building a resilient investment portfolio. This strategy taps into the global economy's main drivers and helps investors capitalize on great companies that increase their profit and free cash flow over time. Such a high-conviction global approach requires expertise, experience, and agility. These characteristics are hallmarks of Robeco Global Stars, a strategy with a decades-long legacy and that is built for the future. Let's target all-weather alpha with Robeco Global Stars. For more information on the solution, please visit our website. Thanks for watching. The world is evolving and our investment strategies must adapt. We believe that emerging economies offer more compelling investment opportunities than many developed countries. Often they have healthier economic fundamentals and are home to companies with higher future earnings potential. The most dynamic emerging countries are growing rapidly, are becoming wealthier, and will play a key role in shaping the world economy in the next decade and beyond. Robeco expanded into global investing in 1930, 1 year after the company was established. Finding value on every continent has always been part of our DNA. In 1994, we launched our Emerging Markets Equity strategy to build on this heritage and to apply our expertise in this era of globalization. Robeco's Emerging Markets Equity strategy has outperformed its benchmark by 1.4% since 2003. In 2006, we launched the High Conviction Emerging Stars strategy. It invests in a more concentrated selection of stocks, what we consider to be the stars of the emerging world. This strategy has outperformed the benchmark by nearly 3% since inception. To build our emerging markets portfolios, we first identify the most attractive countries among the emerging markets from a macroeconomic and valuation perspective. Within these countries, we then find attractively valued companies whose earnings prospects are underappreciated by the market. This analysis is supported using our quantitative model, which exploits such behavioral biases in the market. Our stock selection goes beyond looking only at the financial drivers. We also apply sustainability factors to better understand each company's true value. This approach yields a balanced portfolio designed to target alpha for long-term investors. To sum up, Robeco's emerging markets team finds great companies in emerging countries across Asia, Central Europe, Latin America, and Africa. If you want to benefit from the dynamism of these countries, there's no better time than 2025 to explore emerging market investing. So, let's target alpha in emerging markets. For more information on the solution, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.